Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL Live Series headphones, anything in the Live Series, there's a 660, a 460, a 600, a whole bunch of different ones. I'll put a list in the description of all the ones that this works on. Anything in the Live series, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not working, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing, or not pairing with Bluetooth, or they keep disconnecting, not responding, etc. If you want to just get a new set of headphones because you can't get them fixed, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of headphones at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you are trying to delete all the pairing history and settings off of these so you can set them up basically like they're coming out of the box new. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is come in and turn the headphones on. And then once the headphones are on, we're just going to press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. After that, the headphones will actually turn off, and then they'll turn back on automatically into their factory default state, and you can go ahead and set them up like they're new.